The earth is wide, but my heart is small. I walk this path and answer the call. Subhanallah, how the stars still shine. Inshallah, I'll find the way through the night into skies are blue. Alhamdulillah, this heart will soar to meet my Lord forevermore. The trees will bow where the breezes sing, a garden bright with eternal spring. Subhanallah, every soul feels light.